At first, we take this bag. This is the accessory bag of the camera, and then we find this screw, and we can find this camera. There will be 3 holes, and we just open it. And here, there will be 3. We can find this is the on the back. This is the plate that will be mounted in the roof or on the wall. So you can make it mounted, and then we can adjust the length, the angle of length, so to set the area that you want to surveillance. Because this is a dummy camera and there's no mainboard inside or cables out glue, so we will later. First we just tell you how to mount it, and then we can go to the connection step with another camera. And here is the screw that we offered. We can put it inside and mount it. This is 3 port on the wall, and we change the angle of the camera over here, and then we mount it back. Well, out inside the box there is also an installation paper. This paper is actually for you, help you to drill the holes on the wall. For example, we want to put it over here. For example, if we want to install here, so we just put this paper, and we can put it up, and we can paste it on the wall, and we can these 3 holes will be your drill for installation the camera. Okay, when we install the camera, when we disassemble the camera, and we can find the holes. This is the holes actually, the 3 holes over here. So we can install the camera by mounting the screw over here, and we can change the length of this camera, and then we put it back, put this side back, so the camera is well mounted. Okay. Well, that camera is a dummy camera. It doesn't have cable come out, so we take this one for example. This is the cable of RJ45. This is for Cat 5 or Cat 6 cable that connected for data, power, and audio. So we find a cable connected to this side, and the other side we connected to the back of NVR. Now we have 1 cable. This is a cable we connected to camera, and at the other end we connected to the back of NVR's PoE port. As you can see, we have 16 ports over here, and you can connect to any of them. And then we just wait. The camera will be displayed later. Now we can go to the main menu, and the camera, as we can see, this camera is pop out, and this status turns to blue. Now we can see the camera actually over here, it is connected.